Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're at 287 Main Street, Warren, Rhode Island. It's a first floor studio apartment for rent. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Newer flooring, high ceilings, bookshelf there for storage. Your living area here. Kitchen area here, plenty of room for a table, or if you choose to put your couch in here. Plenty of countertop and cabinet space, double sink. Little closet for storage there. That leads into the basement. To my left, the bathroom. The shower, no tub, vanity. And make our way back here. Got your living quarters as well. Big enough for a bedroom or an oversized living room, whichever you prefer. And that back entrance leads onto a shared backyard space. If you'd like to apply for 287 Main Street in Warren, click the link at the bottom of your screen, fill out the application. We're at 287 Main Street in Warren. Thank you and have a great day.